The brown house stood as a warm, defiant anomaly at the junction of two quiet Capitol Hill alleys. Its presence, conceived by the architectural firm BLDUS, wasn't a whisper but a richly textured declaration. Clad in a mosaic of unexpected materials, the deep, rich brown of cork, the burnished gleam of copper accents, the slatted privacy of black locust wood, and the subtle grain of bamboo, it was a bold counterproposal to the sterile, smooth monotony that dominated so much of modern urban construction. This single-family residence didn't just occupy its space, it activated it, turning a forgotten urban sliver into a beacon of material ambition. This striking structure was born from a pragmatic vision, taking advantage of recent DC zoning updates designed to encourage alley housing as a remedy for the city's persistent housing shortage. Positioned as a linear infill in Overbeck Alley, BLDUS refused to settle for the common cramped shoebox or the minimalist white cube that often defined such limited footprints. Instead, they embraced the awkward geometry of the urban setting, using it as a crucible to prove that thoughtful materiality and passive design could transform spatial constraints into a deeply comfortable and sustainable home. The brown house was designed to make every inch count, marrying necessity with a passionate commitment to eco-conscious craft. From the moment one approached, the house was a celebration of materials performing their function with integrity. Black locust wood, chosen for its inherent durability, formed the rhythmic slats of screening, fencing, and safety railings on the roof. The exterior was predominantly wrapped in insulating cork panels, a material that reappeared on the interior ceilings in a sound-dampening spray-applied finish. The structural walls were crafted from bamboo wood hybrid panels, stained with polyway, an unexpected, eco-friendly byproduct of the cheese industry. Cavities throughout the structure were tightly packed with hemp and cellulose insulation. Every ingredient was selected not just for its look, but for its purpose, durability, low-carbon impact, and natural breathability, creating a home that was inherently healthier. Though compact, the design of the brown house was calibrated for longevity and flexibility. The ground floor offered a complete bedroom-bathroom suite, allowing for comfortable single-floor living as the occupants aged or their needs changed. A central, switchback stairwell created a vertical core, leading upward to the second story and eventually to the true gem of the property, the roof. Here, the transitions between inside and out were deliberately softened. Small balconies, enclosed vestibules, and garden terraces introduced pockets of light and privacy, ensuring the limited footprint never felt stifling but rather thoughtfully layered. The rooftop was the heart of the home's self-sustaining spirit, functioning as a vibrant micro-farm. Raised planter beds, fed by rainfall and supplemented by water collected and stored in tanks, allowed the occupants to cultivate a significant portion of their food throughout the growing season. This hyperlocal food loop extended to south garden beds and small green areas along the north facade, making sustainability an intensely personal, edible, and immediate experience. The efficiency extended below the surface, as BLDUS rigorously minimized the home's embodied energy, sourcing materials locally where possible and using the innovative bamboo wood structural panels that combine modern engineering strength with regenerative resources. Ultimately, the brown house stood as a powerful argument for the material manifesto it represented. It rejected the architectural impulse to bury surfaces behind layers of paint or gypsum. Instead, the walls, floors, and ceilings were tactile and recognizable, inviting occupants to connect with their surroundings in a visceral, enduring way. The raw honesty of the wood, the subtle give of the cork, the metallic touch of the copper, all contributed to a final, palpable result, a home with low energy demands, built-in water management, and a deep-rooted sense of craft. It was a space that was not only climate conscious but felt lived in and welcoming from the very first step inside, a pathway to wellness rooted in material legitimacy. Well, that's it for today's look at the brown house in Capitol Hill. What struck me most about this project wasn't just its unique look, but its mission. It's a powerful reminder that green building doesn't have to mean sterile or minimal. BLDUS has shown us that embracing materials like cork, bamboo, and black locust wood, letting them be seen and touched, creates a home that's inherently healthier and more connected to its place. From the rooftop microfarm to the low-carbon footprint, this house is proof that even in a cramped alleyway, you can build something beautiful, sustainable, and utterly unique.